Hi, we are Ayla and Philip. We already traveled all the way from Colombia to Argentina with our 2 motorcycles, which we bought in Medellin. On our journey, we have survived a minus 10-degree night in our tent in the Bolivian Andes, managed to escape a desert with a broken motorcycle and 1 liter of water left, pulled our motorcycles for 180 kilometers, crossed many rivers to get to our destination, and interacted with locals to fix tires, make friends, and learn about their lives. Our plan is to visit all countries of South America and therefore drive through the Amazonas in Brazil. The question is, will we make it?
You know